In today's trip tips, we will cover simple things that you can do to avoid having any trouble with your checked luggage the next time you fly. Before you drop your bag or your suitcase off at the airport to be checked by the airline, make sure that you take a photo of it. If your luggage is delayed or lost, the first thing an airline agent is going to ask you is, what does your luggage look like? Showing them a photo is the best answer you could give. And if your suitcase is damaged while in transit, having a photo of the bag immediately before checking it is going to be the best way to prove that the airline is responsible for that damage. It's also a good idea to take a photo of the items that are inside of your checked suitcase so that you could prove your belongings and their condition if you ever needed to. Being able to prove exactly what items were lost, delayed, or damaged is going to increase your chances of getting the compensation that you deserve to replace these items if needed. And then before zipping up your checked bag or your checked suitcase, you will want to place a contact card or even a business card inside of it. By doing this, if the tags on the outside of your bag are lost, the airline is going to know who the bag belongs to and how to reach you. And to avoid a situation where the tags on the outside of your bag are lost, definitely consider using quality luggage tags. I like these ones that are actual material and then also have a little flap on them to hide your personal information as you go through the airport. You'll also want to remove any old stickers or tags from past trips. You only want there to be a single bag tag on your suitcase with a single barcode to scan, and that's going to be the new one that the agent will put on at the airport. It's always a good idea to secure your suitcase with a TSA-approved lock or even with twist ties that are going to keep your zippers sealed together that you can cut when you arrive at your destination to open your bag. Using a colored luggage sleeve over your suitcase is another way that you can help keep your suitcase held together while additionally making it easier for you to identify. You will want to do everything that you can to avoid a situation where a TSA agent needs to open your suitcase and search your belongings. The best way to avoid having your suitcase searched without you present would be by following the rules on what is and what is not allowed in a checked bag. An agent is only going to open up your bag and perform a manual search if there is something suspicious that they need to check, such as if an item that was not allowed appeared on the X-ray scanner. I have a quick video linked down in the description with exactly what you can and cannot bring for you to watch next. Happy travels, thank you for watching, and then don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join us back here for more travel tips next week. Bye.